What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make chicken nuggets in an air fryer. So, cheers and let's cook. First thing we're gonna do is make our marinade for the chicken. I have a half a cup of buttermilk, a quarter cup of pickle juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm just going to mix that together. Now to the marinade, I'm going to add 2 pounds or about 2 chicken breasts cut into half-inch cubes. Get that in there. We'll mix that all together until it's nicely coated. We got our chicken in the marinade, so now I'm just going to throw a lid on that. This is going to go into the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour, or up to overnight. While our chicken marinates, we're going to go ahead and make a little seasoned flour that we're going to toss it in before we go into the air fryer. For our flour mixture, we are going to go in with 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we'll just give that a little mix with a fork. Our little nuggets of chicken have marinated for about 2 hours, so now I'm going to run those through our seasoned flour and then get those onto a sheet tray with a resting rack to allow the excess flour to fall off. Our nuggets are all breaded, so now I'm just going to spray them with some olive oil. Get a nice coating of olive oil on there. Make them nice and crispy in that air fryer. And it is time to load up our air fryer. I'm going to preheat that to 400 degrees, and we're going to do this in 2 batches so we don't overcrowd it. Air fryer is at temp, so now we'll just load up these guys into a single layer, trying to leave a little space in between. You want that air to be able to flow around all these little nuggets, help them get nice and crispy. Our first round is ready to go, so we're just going to pop that in and set a timer for 6 minutes. Our 6 minutes up, they're looking pretty good. I'm going to give them a little shake. Now I'm going to hit those with a little more olive oil. We're going to go back in for 5 more minutes. It's been 5 more minutes and we are looking crispy and delicious. So I'm just going to remove these and cook our second batch and we'll be ready to eat. We got an awesome little pile of nuggets here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.